Electric filing bits, when to replace them and how to clean them, right now on Nail School. All right, Mel, talk to us about bits. What do we need to know?
Basically, it's important to know when to replace them. A lot of people think they purchase a bit and it's gonna last them forever. I'm gonna show you how to tell when you need a new one, how you could downgrade it from acrylic to gel, and know when it's time to purchase another. As you can see, I have two sets of drill bits here. I have an X-Cut and a safety course. Visually, you can't tell which one's new and which one's old. I'm going to show you how you could tell which one's old and which one's new. So this is my new safety course bit. I'm going to show you how fast the removal is with it and how easy and effortless it is, as opposed to the dull. So as you can see, if I tickle it off, you could totally see how fast this removes. Like so fast. Okay, let me show you with the dull one. This is my dull safety bit. I'm putting the same amount of pressure, basically slight contact and dragging it around, and see how long it's taking me. What it does is it makes you want to put pressure on their nail. When you put pressure on their nail, what that does is cause friction and heat. And it's also adding time to your service. So let me switch again so you could see how fast this is going to come off. So I switched to my new safety again, just to remind you how fast this comes off. It's like magic. So remind yourself, when you feel the need to put pressure with your bit, that means you need a new one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to clean your drill bits in between clients. This is acetone. I put my bits in, let them sit for a little bit. Only takes like really a minute or two. And as you can see, it gets a little milky and they come out really, really clean. It's really important to clean your bits in between clients. Sometimes your bits get clogged up and have gunk in there, and you're filing, you actually think your drill bit's dull, but it's not, it just needs to simply be cleaned. Another way to tell if it's getting dull is not only by how it's filing, is also when you're electric filing and you feel the need to do this with your hand, or your hand simply hurting, that's when you know you need another bit. Another thing is a lot of people don't like to spend the money on bits. They think like it's a lot of money to buy a new bit every week. To me, you make more money at the end of the day. You're able to go faster and complete your services faster with the new bit than with the old bit. Plus your client's more comfortable. You're not burning them, and you're saving your hand as well. So clean your bits, change your bits, and you will go much faster.